Hiring feels like a gamble. Commit too early and a mishire can cost up to 30% of a salary. Wait too long and you lose top talent. But Switzerland found a smarter way decades ago with strict dismissal laws and some of Europe's highest salaries. Swiss companies faced big hiring risks. Their solution? Contract to hire. And it worked. Banks reduced hiring risks. Pharma and biotech tested scientists. Before long-term commitment, manufacturers scaled safely during expansions. Result? Lower risk, higher retention, workforce agility. Contract to hire is no longer just Swiss. It's a global strategy. Start fast. Test safely. Commit confidently. Would this model work in your industry? Contract to hire is just one example. At Finney Taylor Consulting, we guide companies to hire smarter, safer, and with confidence.